Question: respiration in tadpole larva is by. Answer: gills. Next question: collagen is secreted by. Answer: only red algae. Next question: in some animals the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Instead, the mesoderm is present as a skirted pouch in between the ectoderm and endoderm. Such a body cavity is called. Answer: pensudocilium. Next question: which tract open into a common chamber colca in amphibians? Answer: alimentary canal, urinary tract, reproductive tract. Next question: microbes used in the preparation of ice cream and jellies are grown on the product secreted by. Answer: Gelidium and Gracilaria. Next question: the following are coelomates expect. Answer: Plethysmins. Next question: ovules are not enclosed by the ovaries in. Answer: Gymnosperm. Next question: majority of mollusca are. Answer: aquatic. Question: true statements. First point: agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. Next point number 2: laminaria and Sergemes are used as food. Next question: algae increase the level of dissolved oxygen in the immediate environment. Fourth point: origin of seed habit can be traced in pteridophytes. Point number 5: in centrophores, locomotion is mediated by comboplates. Point number 6: in fascicula, flame cell take part in extraction. Next point: earthworms are hermaphrodites and yet cross fertilization take place among them. Question: which is true about reproduction in mollusca? Answer: mostly dioxys. Second, operesis. And third, mainly indirect development. And four, fertilization is external or internal. Next question: respiration in adult frog is by. Answer: buccopharyngeal cavity, B skin, and third lungs. Next question: allicin is secreted by. Answer: only brown algae. Next question: which is correct about mammaterism? True segmentation. Answer: the body is divided extremely as well as internally. Next question: in heterospores petrodiphyte. Answer: zoozoite develops into young embryo in the female gemophyte. Next question: which of the following is not a fish? Answer: devilfish, cuttlefish, and jellyfish are not a fish. Next question: match the following columns. Answer: A. Pila is apple snail, B. Chinot is Catopelera, and C. Dentalium is tux shell, and sepia is cuttlefish. Question: radial symmetry is shown by. Answer: centrospores, colenetrates, adult echinodermates. Next question: process similar to seed habit considerably is observed in. Answer: heteropros species of petrodophyte. Next question: hydrocolloids are secreted by. Answer: both red and brown algae. Next question: the undifferentiated layer present between the electroderm and endoderm is coleanthate is. Answer: mesoxilla. Next question: vesicular plant with seed but no fruit are. Answer: gymnosperm. Next question: the following feature belong to which class? Answer: the all of following feature is belonging to amphibia. Next question: